Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MBC. Today we are going to learn to make a Python program which will help us to find the length of the word count of a sentence. So to get started, we'll choose our language which we are going to write. In this case, this will be Python. First, we'll create a variable named text. This will be the variable which the user will input the sentence in. So, the variable will be like text is equal to input, then the prompt we are going to give the user to enter the sentence. Now we'll create another variable named as words. This will split the sentence which the user will give us into different words. So the word variable will be like text.split. The split command making the sentence split into different type words. Next we'll create another variable. This variable will be named word length. This can be given any name, but I have chosen to give it word length since this variable will work to select the word length of the sentence the user has given. The sentence or the variable will be like len of length of the words of the sentence. So since we have split this sentence into different words in the words variable, we'll just enter the words variable in the brackets. Now we can just write the print command to give the user the prompt which will tell them the word count of their sentence. So the print command will be like f, which will help us to get the variables without writing percentage every time. So we'll write f, then we'll write the prompt which the user will be prompted, in which they will be informed of their word count of the sentence. We can just run the program, but before running we have to save it. So after saving the program, we can run it, and as you can see, the code is working just as fine. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have managed to learn anything from this video, make sure to like and subscribe.